Xiamen, China. Yongfengsheng professionally researches and produces generators. It is a Chinese import and export trade cooperation enterprise, specialized in gasoline, diesel, gas and marine generator sets and supply power from 3 kW to 5,000 kW. Powered by world-famous brands like USA Cummins, Volvo, MTU, UK Perkins, Yui, Weikai, Ricardo and so on. You can customize the intelligent units such as fixed, mobile, container, silent type, multi-machine parallel, etc. Products are widely used in communications, finance, energy, military, transportation, hospitals, factories, hotels, ports, airports, power plants, data centers, government agencies, large-scale exhibition center and many other fields. Sales in over 100 countries and regions worldwide. Our company has always been adhering to the concept of cooperatorship win-win, professional and dedicated attitude, committed to providing quality power products and services for domestic and international markets. Further strengthen the company's international competitiveness, improve your quality of life, and ultimately become a leader in all kinds of power demand solutions.